Hello everyone, this is Paukshte Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every day. I also want to remind you that some of my video courses are already available. Buy them if you haven't done it yet. I would really appreciate your support. Today we continue working with the blend wool. I love this fabric. I'm going to show you how to make a skirt of it. I'll make a skirt for Olya. This is the fabric I'll be making the skirt of. It is going to be very comfortable. Olya will be able to combine it with different pullovers, sweatshirts, and other garments. I think that the color of the fabric is very beautiful. The fabric can be moved aside. Today I'm going to show you how to make a pattern for the skirt. This is Olya's basic pattern for a skirt. Have a look at the sketch. There will be a yoke in the skirt. It will be about 7 centimeters wide. There will be 3 seams on the back. The seam on the center back will end with a bend. There will also be 2 princess seams on the both sides. The front will be the same. The center front seam and 2 princess seams. Why to make so many seams? When working with the blend wool, the more seams you make, the better. We'll show you how to make seams in the blend wool. They will decorate the skirt. Blend wool also stretches. The seams will make the skirt stronger and help it to keep its shape. If you want, you can make side pockets. In our case, there will be no pockets in the skirt. The peculiarity of the skirt will be the overlap seams made with the cover stitch machine. They will decorate the skirt. The design is going to be pretty interesting. Have a look at the sketch once again. There is a yoke, and 3 seams on the front, and 3 seams on the back. The bottom will be edged with facing. It will be 6 centimeters wide. It will make the bottom stronger. We'll show you everything. Don't worry. 6 centimeters is the perfect width for the overcast in this case. Olya has a basic pattern for the skirts. I am working on a course on how to make basic patterns for skirts at the moment. Are you waiting for it? I think that it will be very useful. I should note that a skirt is a very important garment in women's wardrobe. The more skirts you have, the better. You can combine them with various shirts, blouses, sweaters. You can create unusual and stylish outfits. Let's get down to work. Have a look at the basic pattern first. 2 waist tucks on the back and 1 on the front. The hips are pretty low. As I've said, the yoke will be 7 centimeters wide. I need to measure and mark 7 centimeters on the pattern. You can extend the darts if needed. I'll make this one longer. It will be much more convenient for me to draw the yoke this way. I can start drawing a yoke now. It may seem that sewing the skirt is easy. Make 2 seams and the skirt is ready. It's not true. Be very attentive. I'll make the yoke about 1.5 centimeters wide on the center back. It would look more beautiful in this case. Do not forget to sign the details. The center front, the lengthwise grain, the center back, the lengthwise grain. I can cut the yoke now. Once your basic pattern for skirt is ready, make a couple of mock-ups on its basis. You need to make sure that the fit is perfect. Close the dart. This is where it is now. There will be no darts in the back yoke as well. This is where the darts are now. The fit of the skirt hasn't been changed. Be very attentive. These are the yoke details. I hope that it's clear that the center front and the center back should be cut on the lengthwise grain. Next, I need to draw the princess seams. You can draw them however you want. I remind you that we've decided to make 3 seams on the front and 3 seams on the back.
Почти 13 сантиметров. А здесь я возьму 11,5.
I need to measure and mark 13 centimeters on the upper edge and 11.5 centimeters on the bottom. I'm making these details a bit tighter at the bottom. In this case, the lines will be more beautiful. This detail is a bit wider at the top than it is at the bottom. You can make a skirt of some other fabric and stitch the details with the plain seams. It's not necessary to make skirts of blend wools. The pattern for the front is ready. The center front should be cut on the lengthwise grain, and there should be a seam here. You can make a fold if you want. Next, I need to do the same thing with the back. There is a small part of the dot here. It's okay. The distance at the top is 12.5 centimeters, so I need to measure 11 centimeters at the bottom. This is the side back detail. This is the side seam. Sign all the details. The pattern is ready. Have a look at it. I showed you how to make this pattern on the basis of a basic pattern for a skirt. The design is simple, but at the same time very beautiful. As I've said, you can make pockets if you want to. We are not going to do it. If you decide to sew such skirt of denim or cotton, You can make as many seams as you want.
Пожалуйста, чем больше отстрочки, тем лучше. Мы будем шить
We're sewing a skirt of blend wool, so we're going to use a cover stitch machine for sewing it.
не только
In the next video, I'll show you how to cut the skirt, how to take it,
видео мы
and then Olya will try it on.
вставим и померяем на Олю. А пока
I'm sure that this skirt will be very beautiful. That's all for today.
уже начинать кроить.
Be different and beautiful every day. My name is Irina Paukshte. Buy my courses, subscribe to my channel, write comments, share the videos, press the like and the bell buttons. I would really appreciate your support. Thank you. Goodbye.